And this is another one of my absolute favorite careers you can get into at the entry level. So data is incredibly valuable, incredibly important. You've probably heard data is more valuable than oil or gold. And if you think about it, it makes complete sense. Let's say your favorite sports team is the Los Angeles Lakers. If you send out 1 million ad impressions, like 1 million people see an ad for a Los Angeles Lakers jersey, and you don't know who are actual Lakers fans, you might get like, I don't know, let's say 100 sales. But if you send out 1 million ads to people who you have data on and you know exactly who they are, and maybe you even know that they're looking for a jersey, right? So they're in the market to buy a jersey, you're probably gonna get 1,000 sales, 10,000 sales, maybe even like more than that. So you can see the difference that makes. That's like a 100x, maybe even like 500x difference from just randomly sending out ads to people. So that's why data analytics is so incredibly important. And if you type in data analyst on LinkedIn, you're gonna see 363,000 results. And if you look up data analyst on Glassdoor, you're gonna see they make about $71,000 a year at the entry level.